Hey techies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video I'm going to teach you deploy a Nginx container application servers. Let's get over the lab session. So here it is my VMware up and running. Let's log into our application server. So the application servers sh Tony st app1. So you can log into our app server. So now I'm in our app server. Now become a super user. So sudo and again you have to enter the password. So right now I'm in super user as an application servers. Let's check our Docker service up and running or not. System ctl status Docker. So my bad. System ctl status Docker. So our Docker is up and running. Let's follow the documentation. So in order to deploy the Nginx container, so the pull image, the step 4, sudo docker pull Nginx :alpine. So we can copy this command and run it. So this command will pull the image from the official Docker gov. So now we can check the Docker image. So our Nginx image is available. Let's run it and give it the name for the sudo docker hyphen name Nginx _1 and alpine. So now you can type docker ps command. Now our container is up and running.